Hello, Mom, sir. I am Ruby Palma. I am 40 years old. I am married with two kids. I am college undergraduate taking a Bachelor of Elementary Education, and I came from Palawan, Philippines. I work in Kuwait as a nanny for 8 years in one employer. I serve four members of the family, including two adults and two kids, ages 5 and 8 years old. My main duty is to take care of the kids, prepare their foods, send them to school, teaching them the proper hygiene habit, bathing, toothbrushing, and hand washing. It's also my responsibility to keep them safe and clean. And also I assist them to do their homework. And also I do the household chores like washing, cleaning, and ironing. As a nanny, I am responsible, understanding, patient, caring, hardworking, and trustworthy and dedicated to my work. To you, mom, sir, I will promise I will do all the tasks and follow the rules in your home. See you soon, mom, sir.